Hi guys, welcome back to the Art of Home Cooking. Today I'm gonna prepare Chirer Pulao or flattened rice pulao. Hi guys, today I'm going to prepare one breakfast recipe known as poha. Put white oil in the pan, mustard seeds, few mustard seeds, fry a bit. Into this I'm going to put this chopped potato. You have to stir it. Now I will put this chopped onion. Stir a bit, and here I am going to put this curry leaves. So you can put curry leaves after putting mustard seeds, but I am giving curry leaves at this moment of time because I think the curry leaves has a very sweet fragrance. When it has raw flavor, the curry leaves have very beautiful raw flavor and fragrance. So I am going to stir it. And into this, I'm going to put salt according to taste and turmeric powder, which also according to your preference. You have to stir it. And now I'm going to put this chopped tomato. Leave this for a few minutes. So let's see. Now I'm going to put sugar according to your preference, red chili powder, which is also according to your preference. So I'm just going to stir it properly. Now I'm going to put this soaked chire or poha into this. Flattened rice. I have just properly washed the flattened rice and we'll use this in poha. You have to mix this flattened rice with all the ingredients. And into this is the fried nut. I'm going to put this nut, and here I have this green chillies. So I have to just mix it once again. So guys, now I'm going to put again salt according to preference as per taste. You have to mix it. So our poha is almost done. Now it's time to serve this. So I will let you see after plating. So guys, our poha is ready to serve. It's very healthy and it's very easy. You can just prepare it anytime and just have it. So if you like this recipe of mine, then please don't forget to like, share this to your friend and subscribe my channel for such recipe. And I'm going to come with another new recipe. So till then, take care. Bye bye guys.